Has it occurred to anyone how bad this would all smell if they could smell it?
It's real tiring standing at attention all the time.
Might be a good time to, like, interrogate why we enjoy shooting things so much.
Should have paid more attention in meat school. I wonder what kind of meat I'll be next time. Why do we always come in packs of 10? And, Tis only a flesh wound! Over there. I see a bright light! Don't let myself got a beef with you. Huh? Huh? Oh, shoot! Huh? Huh? Way to go, champ! Turn it! What's that? Huh? Oh, there! Huh? Wow. Huh? Okay. What? Oh. Huh? Investigating. Even. Huh? Hey, what gives? What's over there? Over there. Hmm? Huh? Huh? Yeah. Darn it! What's going on over here? Over there. Huh?
He said I'd relish the day. Who eats relish for an entire day? Could be worse.
Oh, darn it! Well, nice one! Tarnation! I wonder what that is. What? Huh? On Earth? Huh? Huh? That? Investigating. I wonder what that is. Huh? What? I'm a wiener! Earth? What? Wow, nice one! I wonder what that is. Investigating. Huh? What's that? What's going on over here? That. What's over there? I always get the worst shift. Need to get a better bun. My back's been killing me.
Does this feel off to anyone else?
Huh? Ugh. Over there. Investigating. Ah, shoot! What? What's that? Ah, shoot! Hmm?
Man, I have felt stiff all day.
What's that?
Give me my key.
Huh? What's that? Man, this part of the level's kind of bland. What's that?
Where is he?
Hmm? Huh?
a good time to, like, interrogate why we enjoy shooting things so much.
What?
So glad I finally got that Pen 15 membership card in the mail. Took long enough.